interrupt your freak accident with news. This morning's wave of amusing events is officially not funny anymore. With everywhere named Nova, no one knows where they are. Traffic jams have reached gigantic proportions. Inhabitants of the People System regret their decision to move their stars to form a portrait of Nova. And the Prime Minister of Sensible's been taken to hospital with severe Nova-related dance exhaustion. Doctors say it's touch and go. And then head tilt, shoulder pop and slide.
Nova! What block? Why do you tell people to go and do all that?
No, you just influence them. You need to apologise, Nova. And then we need to fix all this. Somehow.
I suppose I could do another secret fixifying message. Do what I say and be boring like McLaren says, but I'm not apologising. Calling kids song.
No. No more messages. You have done enough. Now, leave this to me.
Shan't. You always send me away when there's trouble. I'm staying put.
Fine. Unless... maybe you'd enjoy a nice hot bath.
Yes, I want a bath. I'm off to have a lovely smelling, super comfy bath and you can't stop me.
Wouldn't dream of it. Make way. Bath time. Yes.
I should totally record more sirens. This sounds great. People will hear this and want to rescue us. Guys! Guys!
Why did you turn off the distress signal, Captain?
Squeeze me!
I can't hear a thing.
I didn't turn it off, Sid. Which means the distress signal must be broken.
There's no siren.
There's no siren at all.
The siren's not working!
That's bad, Sid. No distress signal means there's no one coming to rescue us.
Are you joking? At least my jokes are funny. Like, what has 5 toes and it isn't your face? My face!
Captain, why can't we hear Nova?
You're not getting the galactic grumpies too, are you, Cap?
You know, I couldn't even be bothered answering that.
I know what you mean. I'm grouchy like a soggy hen.
We just need a way to tell people to listen to Nova again. How can we get a secret message to people who don't want to listen?
No. Bad, McLaren. Influencing my beloved Nova lights like that was wrong.
So, bad Nova too?
Yes, but mine was ages ago. We can't do it again.
McLaren and Nova using the music we loved against us. Breaking my ship.
And you didn't even get to do your rap.
I know. I don't mind telling you. I'm irked.
Wish I could go back in time. The future looks so bright. Before all this, now nothing makes me smile. How could you do this to all my favorite music? I'm teaching you a lesson. And now I'm making a new hit. Hope you let it soak in. Everything left broken.
People are tuning into our distress signal. A lot of people.
But they can't hear it, can they?
No, they're listening to this.
The captain. So it wasn't my messages making him want to rap. Oh, he's grumpy.
People want to hear him. I guess he's tapped into the galactic mood.
Right. There's something I need to say that you always think I should say, even if they can't hear me. Patch me into Cap's rap.
You tricked me, you fooled me, now look at us deserted.
Can you hear me? Are you listening? I'm saying sorry for my bad influence.
Did you catch that, Sid? Like a faint buzzing.
Could he hear me?
People are upset. Nova Jones saying sorry might be the one thing they really want to hear. Keep singing.
So I'm saying sorry for my bad influence.
You led me astray in space so far away. Now I can't look at your pictures without feeling so betrayed. All my favorite sounds, you know you let me down. And now it's up to me to turn everything around. I should have seen the signs, you gotta make this right. It's up to you to fix, all you gotta do is fight it. I got nothing left to say, you gotta save the day. When everyone lose hope, you can always lead the way.
Wait a minute.
Are you listening?
I can hear you.
I'm saying sorry for my bad influence. 'Cause I pulled the wool over your eyes. I made a mistake I can't deny. So I'm saying sorry for my bad influence. I know we hit a wall. Wish I could fix it all.
Signal! Everyone can hear you again! We're gonna get rescued!
I made a mistake I can't deny. So I'm saying sorry for my bad influence, bad influence.
Tow trucks here! What's that bumper?
They're towing us to the nearest sun to refill on nature's favourite power, solar.
See? No fuss at all. I don't even think the secret messages did anything.
Nova?
No. Everyone just naturally wants to do stuff for me and thinks I'm hilarious. I'll prove it. Hey, everyone. What has 5 faces and isn't your toe? My toe! Okay, it wasn't